and just be up there. You can't. You can't. Some can. Not all of us can. Not all of us, but I'm just saying. It's all a matter of learning how to do certain things. So I decided to actually go through it myself in my own way. So that is what's been going on. I've been doing it my own way, and it's been going just the way it has to be going. I have to start somewhere to get to somewhere. So it's another thing. I have to get to somewhere to get to somewhere. So that is what I'll say, guys. With that being said, the word of the day today is strangers will make you rich. Strangers will make you rich. The people who know you, they won't come until it is time. Until it is time for them to come, but just be wary of that. I repeat again, today, the word of the day is strangers will make you rich. People who know you, they won't make you rich. They'll make sure you are wherever you are so that you can be closer to them. Remember that. Just be wary of that. Remember that. Remember that. And even I am putting it up here so I can remember. Strangers will make you rich. People you know will be wary of you and will keep you in a position that they know they can still have access to you. Remember that. Remember that. And with that being said, guys, let's do what we gotta do with what we have. Take what you have, do what you have to do with what you have. Malik just joined. Welcome, Malik, Timby, and Ghana.